Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I will explain you about the trigonometry, one of the most important chapters in mathematics. I will make you easy in the chapter trigonometry, but it is not possible in single video. So I will make few more videos about trigonometry. If you watch all the videos, then you will be perfect, and I will make you perfect in trigonometry. So first, in this video, I will give introduction to the chapter trigonometry. Before explaining about the trigonometry, first I will say the meaning of trigonometry. In the word trigonometry, we can find tri, gona, and metry. We all know that the meaning of the tri is 3, and coming to the meaning of gona, it is angle. Metry, meaning of metry is measure. 3 angle measure is the meaning of trigonometry. So when we see the 3 angle, we know that in a triangle it consists of 3 angles, but trigonometry chapter is based on, mostly it is based on right angle triangles. The triangle which is having 90 degrees is called as right angle triangle. Let us name this right angle triangle as A, B, C, and let us consider the angle A will be equal to theta. Angle A is theta. Now what is the opposite side to the theta? This is the theta, and the opposite side to the theta is BC. So opposite side is BC, and coming to the adjacent side means which is touching the angle theta. Here if you observe, AB line is touching the theta, so then we can say AB is adjacent side. Adjacent side is AB, and coming to the hypotenuse, the longest side of right angle triangle and the side that is opposite, that is located to the opposite of 90 degrees, is called hypotenuse. Here AC is longest side of this right angle triangle, and AC side is opposite to the 90 degrees. So we can say AC is the hypotenuse. So these are the basic points which you need to know. Now in trigonometry we will have sine, SIN is sine, cos, tangent. Now if we consider an angle theta, then we can write this as sin theta, cos theta, and shortcut of tangent is tan. We can write it as tan theta. These are the 3 thetas we will observe in trigonometry chapter. So first, what is the formula of sin theta? Formula of sin theta is opposite side by h, hypotenuse. Formula of cos theta is adjacent side by hypotenuse. And formula of tangent theta, tan theta, is opposite side by adjacent side. So these are the 3 formulas. Now I will explain you with the help of the figure. This is a right angle triangle A, B, C. So if we are considering the angle theta, angle A equal to theta. Here it is angle theta. Now what is the opposite side of angle theta? We can say BC. BC is the opposite side, and from this triangle what is the hypotenuse? AC is the hypotenuse. So sin theta equal to BC by AC according to this figure. Now coming to the cos theta. So we have to observe the theta. What is the adjacent side? AB is the adjacent side. AB by what is the hypotenuse? We know AC is the hypotenuse. Now coming to the tan theta. Tan theta opposite side. For theta opposite side is BC, and adjacent side. For theta adjacent side is, that is touching. For theta AB side is touching AB. BC by AB. Simply we can write, but the main criteria is we have to remember these three formulas. So simple technique is for sin theta and cos theta, the denominator will be hypotenuse, and for sin theta, the numerator will be opposite side. For cos theta, as after opposite side we will get adjacent side, remaining one is adjacent side. For cos theta, numerator will be adjacent side, and opposite side by this opposite side, numerator of sin theta by numerator of cos theta, opposite side by adjacent side will be equal to tangent theta. Like this, with simple tricks we have to learn, then we will get these formulas. If we get those formulas, then easily we can solve the problem. Now coming to the reciprocals of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and with their formulas. Now coming to the reciprocals. We have, you remember that reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta, that is cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Cos theta, reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, that is sec theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. So these are the three reciprocals of these three thetas. Now for these reciprocals also there are separate formulas, but they are not much difficult when we compare with this. Why? Because if we take 1 by 2, then reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, that equals to 2. So these formulas also will be reciprocals of them. Cosec theta, we know that sin theta, cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. Formula of sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Reciprocal of this formula is hypotenuse will be the numerator and this opposite side will be the denominator. Now coming to this, the secant theta or sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So this denominator will be numerator and numerator will be adjacent side, denominator. Here also denominator will be adjacent side, numerator. Here numerator will be the denominator, that is opposite side. Just if we remember these formulas, then we will get these formulas very easy. This is the reciprocal concept in trigonometry. There are also values of trigonometry, but I will explain that in the next part of the video. Please watch and subscribe to my channel. Now I had explained you sin theta, cos theta, tan theta and their reciprocals. They are cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now we are having some of the formulas like tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Next, cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. Like this we are having formulae, auxiliary formulae for each and every theta, but it would be more difficult to remember. So I will tell a simple technique. You have to draw what is, you know what is hexagon, which is having 6 sides, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a simple hexagon figure. So there are 6 sides. You remember this tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta, then you will get all the formulas including with the reciprocals, which are very difficult. Only remember tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. It would be 100% easy formula. Why? Because first anybody first will tell sin theta, then cos theta, then tan theta. Sin theta by cos theta equal to, you have to bring this tan theta up, tan theta. Only remember this formula. So first there is tan theta. So here in the hexagon, for this vertex we will write tan theta. Okay, leave about the theta, you write tan. Next, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. First numerator is always first. Sin theta, we have to write sin theta upwards. Next, followed by cos theta. And next, now there is a, now here we are left over 3 vertices, and you may get it out that what needed to be filled up in those vertices. Here beside this vertex there is tan vertex. We have to join this and we have to join. In simple, we have to draw the diagonals. For hexagon there will be 3 diagonals. Draw 3 diagonals and write sin theta, tan theta, sin theta, cos theta. Reciprocal of tan theta is cot. So beside tan you write cot. Now here reciprocal of sin theta, cosec theta, here you have to write. And next, cos theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta. Here you write sec. So tan theta, then followed by next two. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. We got the formula. Now cot theta, there is another formula. Cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. You will not read this formula. But by drawing this hexagon, cot theta, where is cot theta in this? Cot theta is here. Now we have to go back or front in two vertices. We have to jump two vertices, either back side or front side. So let us jump back side. Cot theta will be equal to cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. We got the formula. Cot theta will be also equal to cosec theta by sec theta. We will also get one more extra formula by learning this super hexagon. This hexagon trick is called as super hexagon trick. Please remember this trick. This is very easy. In remembering the super hexagon, you do simply draw hexagon. You know how to draw hexagon with 6 sides like this. Now join the opposite ends, means diagonals. Join like this. Then this will be the center. Now I had said you to remember this formula. Tan theta will be equal to sin theta by cos theta. So tan theta, first you write here tan, here sin, here cos. Next, reciprocal of tan, cot. Reciprocal of sin, cosec. Reciprocal of cos, sec. So simply we got the super hexagon. Not only this trick, from super hexagon we will get still more multiple answers. So that I will explain you in the next video. So friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.